Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about pasteurized milk is commonly tested by phosphatase test. So, what is phosphatase test? This phosphatase test, we use the enzyme phosphatase is normally present in the milk, and this phosphatase test is present in the milk, and this is inactivated by pasteurization. So, if there is residual presence, if this phosphatase test is positive, that means pasteurization is not adequate. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you for watching.